Ever thought your keyboard could literally print money? Hold on to that thought, because today we're about to unveil something that might just redefine your perception of online earning. Dive in with us as we unravel the secret behind using Chatgpt, one of the most advanced language models out there, to unlock 5 exciting avenues for generating income. If you're someone intrigued by the blend of technology and entrepreneurship, or simply looking for innovative ways to monetize your digital prowess, this video promises to be a goldmine of insights. Stay with us to uncover the how-to of turning virtual conversations into real cash. Number 1. Content creation and copywriting. The burgeoning world of content marketing offers numerous opportunities for skilled wordsmiths, and Chatgpt is an ideal tool to leverage in this domain. With its advanced language model capabilities, Chatgpt can generate a wide variety of content in mere seconds. From blog posts and articles to newsletters and social media captions, the versatility of this tool is unmatched. Imagine having a tool that's both a researcher and a writer. As the demand for high-quality content continues to surge, many businesses are constantly on the lookout for captivating, relevant, and SEO-optimized material. But often, creating consistent content becomes a challenge. Enter Chatgpt. With the ability to grasp context and generate text seamlessly, you can produce drafts or even polished articles with a fraction of the usual time invested. Furthermore, for those who might be starting out or looking to diversify their writing style, Chatgpt serves as a remarkable assistant. By inputting a basic outline or a set of keywords, the AI can help mold an informative and engaging piece. This doesn't mean replacing the human touch, but rather augmenting it. The human-AI collaboration ensures that the content is not only well-structured, but also retains a personal touch. Now consider the domain of advertising and marketing. Copywriting is essential here, and crafting the perfect message is often a mix of art and science. Chatgpt can be instrumental in brainstorming sessions. By generating multiple variations of ad copy or promotional messages, you can easily pick, modify, or combine to find the most resonant message for your audience. With platforms like Medium, Substack, and countless others, content creators have numerous avenues to monetize their craft. By using Chatgpt as a collaborative tool, the consistency, volume, and quality of output can be significantly enhanced, leading to increased readership and revenue. Number 2. E-commerce and customer support. E-commerce platforms have experienced exponential growth in recent years. With this growth comes the increased need for effective and efficient customer support. Chatbots, particularly those powered by Chatgpt, can transform the customer experience by providing instant 24/7 responses to queries. One of the major pain points for online shoppers is the lack of immediate assistance, akin to a salesperson in a physical store. Chatgpt can be programmed to provide product details, suggest related items, or even guide customers through troubleshooting processes. This instant response can enhance the user experience, leading to higher satisfaction and eventually increased sales. The costs associated with maintaining a full-fledged customer support team can be daunting for startups or smaller businesses. By integrating Chatgpt-powered chatbots, these enterprises can ensure top-notch service without incurring heavy operational costs. This not only conserves resources, but also ensures that every customer query is addressed, regardless of the volume. But it's not just about addressing queries. Modern consumers appreciate a personalized shopping experience. Chatgpt, with its advanced understanding of context, can be used to recommend products based on user behavior, previous purchases, or even casual interactions on the chat. Such a tailored approach can significantly boost conversion rates. From handling returns and refund requests to addressing technical issues or even gathering feedback, the potential applications of Chatgpt in e-commerce are vast. By ensuring smooth interactions and a seamless shopping experience, businesses can not only retain their existing customer base, but also attract new patrons. Number 3. Online tutoring and course creation. The education sector has witnessed a digital transformation, especially with the rise of online courses and tutorials. Chatgpt can play a pivotal role in curating educational content, serving as both an instructor's assistant and a student's tutor. For educators looking to expand their reach, creating online courses is an ideal avenue. However, curating content, quizzes, and assignments can be time-consuming. ChatGPT can assist in generating study materials, quiz questions, or even illustrative examples. By inputting the core concepts or topics, educators can get a structured outline or even detailed content. Students often have varied doubts, and addressing each one individually can be challenging for educators, especially with a large number of students. Here, ChatGPT comes in as a personal tutor. With its ability to understand context, it can clarify doubts, provide additional resources, or even guide students through complex topics. Furthermore, for students who might be hesitant to ask questions in a group setting, interacting with a ChatGPT-powered tutor offers a judgment-free zone. They can repeatedly ask questions, seek clarifications, or delve deeper into topics without any reservations. For educators, this AI assistance translates to increased efficiency and a broader reach. By monetizing courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even personal websites, educators can earn significantly. With ChatGPT ensuring high-quality content and consistent student support, the potential for revenue growth is immense. Number 4. Translation and language services. While ChatGPT primarily operates in English, its understanding of multiple languages can be harnessed for translation and language-related services. For those proficient in multiple languages, this can be a goldmine of opportunities. Consider the domain of content translation. By inputting content in one language and providing context, ChatGPT can generate a translated draft. While it might not replace professional translation services entirely, it serves as an excellent starting point, speeding up the process and ensuring consistency. Language learners often seek platforms or tools to practice their skills. A ChatGPT-powered platform can serve as an interactive space for learners to practice conversations, seek translations, or even understand grammatical nuances. Such a platform can be monetized through subscriptions or one-time access fees. Moreover, businesses looking to expand their reach globally need localization services. Beyond mere translation, this involves understanding cultural context and nuances. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities and combining them with human expertise, one can offer comprehensive localization services, ensuring that content resonates with diverse audiences. The beauty of language services is that the demand is perennial and spans multiple sectors, from entertainment to media to business and education. By tapping into ChatGPT's language capabilities, one can streamline processes, enhance output quality, and cater to a wider clientele, ensuring a steady revenue stream. Number 5. Game development and interactive storytelling. The gaming industry and the realm of interactive storytelling have seen tremendous growth. The immersion and engagement levels can be elevated further by integrating ChatGPT to create dynamic narratives and character interactions. Imagine a role-playing game where character interactions aren't limited to predefined scripts but are powered by ChatGPT. Players can have unique conversations, leading to varied storyline progressions. Such dynamic gameplay can significantly enhance user engagement and retention. Interactive storytelling platforms, like those used for creating choose-your-own-adventure stories, can benefit immensely. Writers can use ChatGPT to brainstorm possible plot twists, character dialogues, or even create entire story arcs. This not only speeds up the creation process, but also introduces diverse narrative possibilities. For indie game developers or writers, this means reduced reliance on large teams for story development. They can focus on core game mechanics or narrative structures, using ChatGPT for detailed content generation. This cost-effective approach can lead to unique games or stories, attracting a niche audience. Monetizing in the gaming sector spans multiple models, from one-time purchases and in-game transactions to subscription-based models for interactive storytelling platforms. With ChatGPT ensuring a dynamic, engaging experience, creators can not only attract but also retain a dedicated user base, ensuring consistent revenue. Alright folks, that was a whirlwind journey through the world of ChatGPT and its money-making magic. Remember, the digital realm is brimming with opportunities. It's all about finding the right key to unlock them. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more intriguing insights, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep typing and keep thriving.